step kaya tu lupa ya kesini.
Assistant General Secretary of the Northeast Student Organization, and at the same time he is the advisor of Garo Student Union. Respected leaders, Pak people, thank you, the President of RBWF, Pak Sadang Plak, General Secretary of JNWF, Pak Dondi Kongset, General Secretary of APGP. For more than 6 months, so many leaders and members of various organizations has been arrested and registered. He is condemned by the state government for the agitation for demanding implementation of LP in the state of Meghalaya. But I am sad to say that we expect that the state government will listen, will find out way and mean how to find out the solution, how to brought the mechanism to discuss on across the table. But the government is still using to hunt the leaders.
The respected leader from the Garo Hills, from the Khasi Hill, we will continue to fight, we will continue to express to the state of Meghalaya, and we would like to make very clear to the Indian government also, the people of Meghalaya still not accepted the CEA. We need the ILP, not CEA. After 19th December 2019, when the state government has already passed the resolution, in Khasi Hill region, we continue to organize the street corner meeting across the Khasi Hill region